So if you see into the Bank Nifty chart, Bank Nifty is opening somewhere around this resistance level. You can see clearly it is opening somewhere around 46.95 level. And if we see the same in Nifty, Nifty is also opening somewhere around its resistance level here. If you can see around 427 level, very close to 17,500 level. Okay, here we can see. So in order to know the sentiments, what we have to know is what would be the buyers and sellers, where in which level the buyers and the sellers would be more biased. Okay, so in order to know that, if you look into the yesterday's chart, more specifically into the 1 minute chart, so in 1 minute chart we see Bank Nifty has shown some bullish green candles and some red candles at the same time, right? And if you see this momentum, it has successfully able to accumulate both buyers and sellers. Okay, and now it is trading above 4500 level and showing some little gap up. Suppose if the market starts making some green candles, then the buyers would be more coming here. Okay, and if the market starts to hold and starts to go little downside, then the buyers would be waiting there, not immediately sellers would be coming there, because the market is trading above 4500 level, and the sellers won't be easily coming. They will be starting coming only below these levels if the market continuously starts coming down. Okay, so today if the market starts coming upside, then the more there is more possibility that buyers would be more coming. Okay, with this gap up. Okay, so what will be happening if the Bank Nifty will start trading some red candles? So what will happen is that initially in some red candles, suppose one green candle comes, then a lot of buyers would be immediately entering, then market slowly comes down and something like that. So there the market is killing the hope of this buyers, and thereafter when we see that they're not, now those buyers have converted into sellers, then we can make a call opportunity. Okay, so let's see the market more. Looks like we have to watch the market how exactly it is doing. I will meet you when I will make positions. Okay, just make this position here. Okay, but the Bank Nifty is actually opposite to us, because it is trading above 4500 level, but and also trying to make some green candle. Bank Nifty doesn't looks like it can go too much up, but still we have taken some risk in Nifty here. At this point, the only sellers would be inviting here with these candles. Okay, if Bank Nifty also seems to be inviting sellers here by these red candles. So just see. So what was our logic is basically that we see that the Nifty is becoming negative and Bank Nifty is trying to hold here. So because of Nifty, maybe the sellers can come here in Bank Nifty, but still from the candles it doesn't look that the Bank Nifty can still go too much upside, but Nifty can at least go a little, should go a little upside. But if the market starts coming down sharply with red candles, then maybe there are still some stop losses available whose Nifty is targeting them. Then we will be completely wrong there. Okay traders, so now it has accumulated some sellers and given some tempting angles, red candles also. Now if it starts reversing, then we will have to exit, because then there is something else that Nifty wants to do. It should, if our analysis is correct, it should give some green candles from here, big green candles. But the problem is, if it starts giving those green candles, then after these levels the buyer will start coming. And Bank Nifty is already trading above 4500 levels, so that's a problem for us. So currently we are having a profit of around 700. Bank Nifty, I don't think it can really go too much upside. At last it can go up to this much resistance level, because it is trading above 4500 level, and this is kind of W pattern also. So buyers would be immediately coming. This is a zone where buyers and sellers both are participating, so that's why Bank Nifty is little sideways. Also because Nifty is little negative, so Bank Nifty, maybe because of this people are selling in Bank Nifty, and that's why Bank Nifty is able to little hold up there. Currently we have a profit of around 1000. We have reached around 1:1 target, but still today I will wait from here. Okay traders, so we have booked a profit of around 1800. Actually we could have really waited also here from at least one great candle more, but the thing is that Bank Nifty is confusing us with this momentum above 4500 level. If the Bank Nifty goes, then Nifty won't be able to shoot up too much. Okay, and suppose if Nifty starts shooting some green candles from here, then who will be coming? Clearly buyers would be coming, right? So this is just a stop loss hit. Till here buyers have not come. From here, after if the market comes goes upside, then the buyers would start coming. And also Bank Nifty, it is already trading above this 4500 level, right? So that is another thing. At last it can go a little bit upside. So okay traders, so let us discuss the logic of the trade today. We took an entry in 934 and exit around 947. So in the pre-market analysis, I have told you that both buyers and sellers are active here, right? So basically this when the Bank Nifty actually opened up here, so I am trying to show some red candles around here. Then making the positions was a little bit risky because that time both buyers and sellers are a little bit participating there. Okay, but Nifty, what happened was Nifty had gap up a little more, a little higher than Bank Nifty, and thereafter it has started showing some red candles. And here if you see what the Nifty did here, Nifty waited here for some 2-3 candles and thereafter given some red candles. Okay, why would this be happening? Because still people were bullish in Nifty. Okay, at this time in red candles, if you see 917, somewhere here also it was showing some bullish candles, so clearly it hit their stop losses. Okay, so up till here we were not quite very much sure, because what the market was actually doing here is that the market is just neutralizing both buyers and sellers, whoever are active there. I told you in the pre-market analysis that the both buyers and sellers would be active around in this range. Okay, so that is what happening. Both buyers and sellers are active around there. So when we started to think that the Nifty can actually go upside, that actually hit me when these candles that the Bank Nifty actually showed. So up till here I was not very much sure whether the market can really go upside or downside, because Bank Nifty was also in a range there. So when Nifty started these red candles, these two red candles, then I became more clear, because then I know that what actually people were doing here was buying here. At this point it was very difficult to say whether sellers are coming here because of these red candles also, and also in Bank Nifty it was shown some red candles also. So at this point I was little bit confused whether sellers are coming or not, otherwise I would have made position here. So I waited here when the Nifty actually showed these two red candles here, right, which shows that the Nifty has actually hit the stop losses of these buyers. Then here looking into the momentum, if you have into live market, looking into the way it has actually hit the stop loss, that actually confirms that sellers have come into picture. And these again red candles and this wick here, that actually now turned the buyers into sellers here. Okay, and at this time, what is this is what around time 9:30. At 9:30, what is Bank Nifty doing? Bank Nifty was also giving these red candles. So from here I deduced that from the market, since we were not very much sure what the sellers and buyers are doing here, that the market has actually started to now invite more sellers. Whoever would buying here, whoever tried to buy here, now those will be converted to selling here. Now there is a buyer participation that I keep telling about. Now here people will be more tempted to sell here, okay, rather than buying here. Okay, so another thing with that we saw was Nifty had turned negative. It has started to invite sellers. At the same time, what is Bank Nifty doing? Bank Nifty is still holding. Why it is still holding around range above 4500 level? That is the question. So answer is very simple, people, because Nifty had been showing some red candles. People were not able to come and sell here. Okay, and those people were actually selling in Bank Nifty. So that's why these green candles, if you see here, Bank Nifty has started to hit their stop losses and has become a little bit volatile in this range. Okay, so that confirms the invitation of both the sellers in both the chart. And as soon as I saw these green candles, I was actually waiting for one more proper red candle here. If you see our position, we actually made an entry around 934, and 934 is somewhere around, if you see in the Nifty, is after these red candles here. Okay, so somewhere it was also showing red at that time, so that's when I made an entry. Why? Because when it is, at that time also I told you, when it is holding like this, who will be coming? Already sellers are biased, sellers are coming more in both Bank Nifty and Nifty, and market is waiting here at this around level. Market is giving time, so who will be coming? Of course sellers would be coming. Okay, so here actually I could have still waited, but I just entered at these momentum somewhere around this when the market showed these tempting red candles. I told you now the market should really go upside if it really wants to. Okay, because now the market has waited for the sellers also, and it has whoever was still in fear, it has invited more by giving these tempting red candles, and that's when the market then actually reversed. Okay, in these types of market, what you should be doing is actually, what I personally do is I actually wait. So here I am not sure whether the buyers or sellers are coming, so I actually waited and just look into the candles and try to deduce from the candles what is happening there. Okay, so yeah, that is all the people that we did today. Okay people, thank you very much.